In this video, we will show the best replacement air purifier filters in India 2020. At number 1, Atlanta Healthcare HEPA Pure Viral Safe. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Philips FY3433 NanoProtect 3000 Series True HEPA 3 Filter. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Philips NanoProtect Activated Carbon Filter for Air Purifier. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Honeywell Lite Indoor HHPF 20M936 Air Purifier Filter. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Philips True HEPA Filter AC 41400 for Philips Air Purifier. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Philips Activated Carbon Filter. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Philips FY1410 NanoProtect Filter. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Philips FY1413 1000 Series Activated Carbon Filter. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.